Howdy everybody, welcome back to Smoking Swamp Homestead. This morning, right here enjoying a beautiful morning, got our coffee. Some cloudy skies, like it's possible chance of rain. Alright folks, let's check this out. We still got some stuff coming in from our garden over the summertime. Bell peppers and everything. I was in here staking them up. Still got a whole batch of them coming in on this box. We've got a couple more boxes that are still empty. This was our herb garden. We got some more bell peppers and some other kind of mixed peppers in here that I'm not too sure what they were because they were the wrong seeds. But we're going to get in here, clean it up a little bit. We're going to try to do a winter garden because we're located down here in Florida, as I'm sure some of y'all know. We had some cold come through and we had a small drought come through and hurt a lot of the plants. So we're going to go through, pull out the bad. There's still tomatoes and everything coming in. We're going to put those in the ground over here. And in here, the next couple days, I'm going to get me some seeds for carrots and stuff like that. So hit that thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe for some more updates. Alright everybody, welcome back to Smoking Swamp. Quick update folks, we went through the boxes, got all the weeds pulled out, all the dead stuff. It's looking good. Got some nice bell peppers coming in. We got this one cleaned out for the most part. I could probably go in there and just get a few more little weeds out of there. This one's all nice and clean, ready to go. All I gotta do is just till them up. Same thing with this box. This one's a little bit shorter, about 4 foot long. We got one more tomato plant here I still got to put in. I forgot about it. This box is nice and clean, ready to go, ready to get tilled up. Our pepper plants. We got a habanero coming in. Got all the weeds pulled out. The dead trimmed off them. These guys here, I think a caterpillar or something got them. They're still green. They got little bitty leaves coming in on them. So, let's see what they do. And over here, did the same thing. Got all the weeds pulled out. Still trying to build the soil in these guys. These boxes have been really, really good. They got worms and stuff all inside of them. Got the more bell peppers coming in. And then our tomato plants. We transplanted them out of buckets. And we're putting them in the ground. They're a little droopy right now because they just got put in, but they're fluffing up. Hit that thumbs up, folks. Drop a comment and subscribe for everything outdoors. And be ready for anything wild. God bless.